Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Upgrading your side marker lights on your 2016 to 2021 Camaro is one of the first things that happens with new owners. Let's be honest, you picked a modern car and you want the modern look. Well, these LED side markers from Hero are sure to give you the look you're going for. Available in a tinted and a clear option, these side markers are going to be an easy upgrade if you are looking to get rid of the factory single halogen light. The full LED circuit boards are going to give us a much brighter light output when compared to the factory setup, and the easy installation makes these side markers a much needed upgrade. For the front side markers, we are going to have to turn the wheel to the side to access the fender liner. Remove the 3 fender liner screws and pull back the liner to reveal the clips on the side marker. Now you can squeeze the tabs and push the side marker out of the factory mounting point. From here you can twist the light socket and remove it from the housing. Now you can remove the factory bulb. We will reuse the light socket for the new side markers. Install the connections from the Hero side marker with the red wire towards the top of the clip and reinstall everything back to the factory location. The rear side markers will be installed in a similar fashion. Remove the fender liner screws to access the backside of the factory side marker. Squeeze the tabs to release the side marker from its mounting position. Twist to unclip the light socket and remove the factory bulb. Install the Hero connection and install the socket, creating a good seal. Now install the new side marker back to the factory location. With a simple installation like this, the side markers will add an instant update to the side profile of your Camaro. The full LED circuit boards run up and down nearly the full length of the side marker, giving you a modern look. They are also DOT compliant since they are the correct colors, being amber up front and red in the rear. Now it's just a matter of choosing which style fits your Camaro best. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.